The Nubia Z80 Ultra is coming, and it's bringing a whole new level of excitement to smartphone photography enthusiasts. But is it worth the hype? The upcoming launch event on October 22nd in China has everyone on the edge of their seats. Nubia has been dropping hints and teasers, building anticipation for this flagship device. And now they've revealed a game changer, a dedicated photography kit. This kit is a photographer's dream. With a sleek retro design and a focus on tactile control, it boasts a premium handle crafted from top-grain cowhide leather, providing a comfortable grip and a touch of luxury. But here's where it gets interesting. The kit includes wide and zoom lens attachments, transforming your phone into a versatile imaging powerhouse. The Z80 Ultra's camera capabilities are impressive. It sports a triple rear camera setup with a dedicated camera button for quick access. The main camera features a large 1/3-inch Omnivision 990 sensor, paired with a 35mm lens, promising exceptional low-light performance and stunning image quality. And that's not all. An 18mm equivalent ultrawide camera with a 1/5-inch sensor ensures breathtaking landscape shots and group photos. But wait, there's more. The phone's telephoto camera teases a mind-boggling 50 times hybrid zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with incredible clarity. And let's not forget the under-display front camera, a feature that has sparked curiosity and excitement among tech enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Z80 Ultra packs a punch with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. Rumors suggest a massive 7,100 mAh battery, ensuring you can shoot all day without worrying about power. With its impressive specs and unique accessories, the Nubia Z80 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious contender in the mobile photography arena. And this is the part most people miss, the phone's potential impact on the market. Will it revolutionize smartphone photography? Or will it be just another high-end device? The debate is open, and we can't wait to hear your thoughts. Get ready for the launch and be part of the conversation.